Hi friends, today we are going to start our modeling and we will start from the floor based on the linked structural model. We will start our floor from the foundation levels, that is architectural minus 2 level. So go to architectural minus 2 level, then architectural ribbon inside the floor. There we have many types of the floors. So we select this floor generic 150 mm, then go to edit type, make it duplicate and put the name as architectural minus 2 level floor 200 mm thick. Press it OK. We put the family type, name, then go to edit for its structure, make it 200 mm. If you want to give material, then select by category. Here we will make or create new material. Rename it same as we put the family type name, architectural underscore minus 2 level floor 200 mm thick. Then go to appearance, give any color, whatever you want. I just select little bit light color, press it OK, go to graphics, then press use render appearance. Surface pattern for the foreground I just put as concrete, and for the cut plane it's up to you. I put as well the brickworks like this, or you can put the concrete. Make it OK, apply, then as we select, then make it OK like this, make it OK, apply and OK, and then draw a rectangular shape from corner to corner, and then see here we have cutting floor, that is the space for elevator. So we will cut our floor from here by passing through the elevator. Then finish the edit mode and you see our floor is created. Go to 3D view. Here you see the selection of floor. Go to left side and our floor is, you see in the wireframe mode, our floor is attached with architectural minus 2 level, but here we want the offset, then our floor will be up 200 mm from the structural linked model. Make it shade and then you can see the floor. Here the for pattern we put concrete, and the cut plane pattern we put these lines pattern. So this is the way how we can create our floor. Then for the next we will start our walls modeling. So please stay tuned. Thank you so much.